trends. Now, in February, we put out two bits of analysis. The first was short dollar Swiss. That was in early February. That is moved down 3% since we put that out. And the second was long euro dollar FX. And when we put that piece of analysis out, euro dollar was around 103.50, and now we are almost at 109.50. That is 6 big figures higher. So what is the macro factor framework telling us about dollar Swiss and euro dollar right now? Well, it's telling us actually that the dollar has weakened down to the levels that the macro factor model predicts, given all the information out there on relative interest rates, relative growth rates, and so on. So the bottom line is, if you caught those, the model is indicating now is the time to exit.